Here's a very quick video on how to find underpriced products on eBay that you can flip on other platforms like Amazon, Mercari, Poshmark, really anywhere at market value. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So this is a website that I found. It's called Fat Fingers. So this is a pretty cool website. So basically what you do is you select your country here, and then you also type in a word that you think somebody might misspelled. So this is what I like to do, is type in Nike Air Max, and the reason for that is usually these shoes go for a pretty, decent value, and if somebody misspells it, hopefully what I'm trying to do is buy these shoes under market and then basically just sell it back on for market value. So let's go to eBay. So I already hit find, so you have to hit find, and then you go to view eBay, and then here you can see what comes up. So this person did Nike Air Max Axis, right? They did Nike Air MA, right? They forgot the X. So this is something that you can look into. And really, this is good for finding a steal for the personal. Like you're finding a really good item for the personal that you want to wear. Maybe you're on a budget. You're balling on a budget, right? And you need to find some really good shoes on a budget. This could be a way to do it. Just scrolling through eBay, seeing what people are listing for a very low price. Another thing that I like to do is if we go to auctions. So for auctions for these shoes, these are shoes where it's going to be extremely hard for the customer to find it. So the thing about this is if you bid on these auctions, nobody else is looking at them because nobody can find these listings. So you could find something like these shoes right here that are $20 plus $15 shipping and place a bid and probably get them. And there's really, who's gonna bid on this? They can't find it. Nike Air MX, so they didn't put the A. They forgot the A. So let's just see what the actual value of this shoe is. This is a pre-owned shoe. Hopefully we'll get that, and then we'll get the dash. That. So brand new, 125. There's one used for 87. Let's see if any others have sold. So there's one that pre-owned sold for 60 plus $15 shipping. So there's some potential. Maybe that one wasn't the best, but I just picked a random one. It's not like this is the best one in the world. So we have some trainers. Let's see if we can find anything good in here. Doesn't look like there's too much, but let's see. Some of these Air Maxes, those are really old Air Maxes. So there's these. We could look up these. So this one ends in 13 hours. So we'll click on that. But really, I think this is a method where you can make money off of it. It would just take a lot of time, right? You're just going to have to go through a lot of these listings and see if you can find something where basically somebody messed up. So you can see the market. So you get this at auction for 35, and then the person pays shipping, you get it for 50, size 11.5. So do size 11.5. I think that one was used, right? Pre-owned. So it looks like all the other ones pre-owned. We got 80. That's slightly different. We got 90 plus shipping. It didn't sell for that, so let's see what it actually sells for. So it looks like somebody got a pretty good deal on that. 30. So really not the best here, but I mean it's alright. Just gonna move on from that. Let's try the buy it nows for this. And this is just a random search. I'm just, I'm here Thursday morning, just looking for pretty nice deals. And let's see if there's anything 20. Right. So some of these people, the kid shoe. So some of these people, you know, have decent prices, but the whole point of this is there's not going to be traffic going to these guys. There's not going to be traffic going to them. So they're going to really just accept what they can get, because maybe they've had this shoe listed in their house for 4 months, right? And they need it to get out. But nobody's been looking at their products because they misspelled the title. Let's do Nike Jor. Let's do Nike Mid. Let's do Nike Mid. Let's see what comes up. Oh, Kobe could be a really good one. We'll do Kobe. Like Kobe. So they don't make the Kobe shoes anymore, or they make some of them, but really the older Kobe's are super rare because not too many people have them. So you can see this person, they're selling their Kobe's, and they didn't put the right title. They put NIKR, no E. Same thing here, and there's no N. IKE Kobe. So these are things, yeah, same here. Another hoodie, right? Misspelled. So really, here's another one. That's a really large size, 16.5. This one's a size 8. This one's not that bad of a size. So this one might actually be pretty decent. So this is something, you know, if you think you can flip it somewhere else, you could try to make an offer, get it for a pretty good deal, because they put Mike. It's kind of just funny to see some of these. I'm a person that really has a hard time with spelling, right? But, like, I still like to laugh at these. It's Mike Kobe. Pretty funny. So yeah, let's get this style code. Let's get the style code 922482. Nine two two 482. And then 922482-009. Alright, yeah, and this is a perfect example. That's a size 8, really decent size. So this is a perfect example because the market value of the shoe is way above what they're trying to sell it for. So they're trying to sell it for, yeah, the insoles don't look terrible. They're trying to sell it for $38 plus $13 shipping. Still pretty, like, I mean, that's a pretty decent deal. And then if you look at the actual market value, it's going for about 90 bucks. But this person's been having this item sit for a while, I bet, because nobody can search this up. Because a Mike Kobe doesn't, it's not a thing that exists. So when the customer is searching on eBay, eBay searches best match. So nobody's going to be able to find this shoe. Like, this is not going to sell. But if you do this method of using fatfingers.com, you can use it. And this is a free website. I didn't mention that. It's a 100% free website. Like, you just go on it, use it. This is something I would offer them. Let's say 30 bucks. They took it. You bought the shoe for 42. Big key. Didn't have to leave your house. Then you could possibly sell it for 90, right? We'll go to the solds and see if it sells. So yeah, 10.5, 100 bucks. 8.5. The one that we looked at was an 8. $94 and $14 shipping. 90 bucks. So it's very possible that you could, buy that and then flip it either on eBay or wherever else, other marketplaces. There's people that love Kobe shoes, you know, still, right? So there's going to be a market for it. So that's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Hopefully this video has been helpful and showed you the different use cases that you can use for fat fingers. And I really think it's a really outside of the box way of how to get deals on products online. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye.